Welcome to the Do Next. Your Do Next is all about the story problems and slope. Let's take a look at number 1. Jo is tracking the progress of her plant's growth. Today, the plant is 5 centimeters high. The plant grows at 1.5 centimeters per day. It says write a linear model that represents the height of the plant after D days. So we will begin by utilizing slope-intercept form. Remember y equals mx plus b, where y is our ending value. So we can still use y because it said after d days. So what is going to be changing? What is going to be adding? How many days? So we start at 5 centimeters high. So my y-intercept, or my starting point, would be a plus 5. We add to that 5, 1.5 centimeters per day. Remember we talked about that word per? That's how you know where your variable goes. When it asks what will be the height after 20 days, so what is our total height, or our y value for total height after 20 days? Means you're going to take out the d and plug in 20 and solve for y. 1.5 times 20 is 30. 30 plus 5 means that our plant is going to be 35 centimeters after 20 days. Let's talk about Paul and his savings account. He opens a savings account with $350. He saves $150 per month. Assume that he does not withdraw money or make any additional deposits. So how much is he starting with? Because A asks us to write a linear model that represents the total amount of money that he deposits into his account after M months. So, how much does he start with? $350. So we're not starting at 0. We're starting at $350. So that is my y-intercept. We're not talking about per hour, per minute. We're talking about per month. So I know this variable is going to be an m because it tells me in my story problem to let m represent the number of months. How much per month? 150. And all that's going to equal sum total. So after how many months will Paul have more than $2,000? So we have to have more than 2,000. So not necessarily exactly 2,000, but at least more than. So I'm going to come over here, and instead of y, I'm going to have 2,000 equals 150 m plus 350. So now I need to solve it for m. I drop my line, circle what I'm solving for, subtract the 350 from both sides. 2,000 minus 350 is 1,650. I'm still equal to the 150m. How do I undo the 150? I divide by 150, divide by 150, and m equals 11 months. Please continue and do the rest.